Yeah. So this is now just some paper towel with oil on top of some charcoal. I've seen this on YouTube and testing the theory. So I'm on my way to Hastings, and believe it or not, I'm from Mauritius, which is a tropical island in the middle of the Indian Ocean. We're surrounded with fish. I'm 42, I have never fished in my life. Oh, you caught a fish! Yay!
Dad, put it back in the water!
No, we're gonna cook it.
No. You can cook it?
I don't know.
Let's stick it on there.
Go in the water now!
Nice.
I've never seen a fish.
It looks like a place. Should we say £1? No, it's less than it. I don't know, I'm not expert. Are you a pro fisherman? No. You just got lucky. Yeah. Nice.
This way.
Okay, let's go. Hey, don't worry, man. Look.
Okay, moment of truth. Is my hibachi gonna pick up? So all I've done is put some oil-soaked tissue, and hoping that it's gonna catch on top of the coal. This is how you start a fire without the fluid, you know? So what's the problem with fish? Sea has fish. Embrace the fish. Okay, do you know what? I'll get back to you guys when this is completely done. So my fire did work. I had to put one extra tissue with some oil, but eventually it's fine now. I don't need to put any more. As you can see, we've already had a lot of sausage and kebab rolls. Family down there. Don't want to show them, but there you go. This is working. So this is how you light a barbecue fire on the beach with no lighter fluid. I'm so proud of myself. Now I'm gonna go camping. Yeah, subscribe. Well, that was a first on the beach. Success. So I dug it in the sand. I'm sure you can see. Can you see? I dug kind of a hole in the rock sand and secured it. So this is much cheaper than getting disposable barbecue trays, guys. You should try it. You're cold separately. The tray costs about 99 pence. This I bought before. We use this all the time, so that's equipment. So real worth it. Next time I will find a beach where we can put an open fire. Fry some chips as well. Alright, see you later.